Have you ever felt like giving up? Like the whole world is against you? Like no matter how hard you try, life keeps pushing you down? Today I will tell you the story of a boy named Ali. A boy who slept on cold streets with nothing but his mother's prayers and his father's broken dreams. But what happened next will change the way you see your own problems forever. This is not just a story. This is proof that heroes are not born. They are made. Let me take you to a cold winter night in Karachi. Under a bridge lived a small family, a mother named Naseem, a father named Rashid, and their 12-year-old son, Ali. That bridge was their home. Old cloth was their roof. Broken wood was their bed. When it rained, they got wet. When the sun burned, they had nowhere to hide. But they stayed together. Because sometimes love is the only shelter you have. Rashid was once a factory worker. He worked honestly every day. But one day the factory closed. No warning, no compensation, just silence. He searched for work everywhere, but no one gave him a chance. Slowly their savings disappeared. First the television was sold, then the furniture, then Naseem's jewelry. Finally they couldn't pay rent, and one day the landlord threw them out. That night Naseem cried. Not for herself, but for Ali. She wanted him to study, she wanted him to have a future. But how do you dream when you don't even have food? Ali loved school, he loved learning, but now there was no school, no books, no uniform. Other children laughed at him. They called him a street boy, they avoided him. Every word felt like a knife in his heart. But every morning his mother held his face and said, "Beta, never give up. Allah is watching, your time will come." Rashid felt like a failure, a father who couldn't protect his family. Many nights he cried silently, and Naseem would hold his hand and say, "We are still together. That means we are still strong." One day something happened that changed everything. Ali was walking near a big office building. He was hungry. He hadn't eaten for 2 days. Outside the building, a man in a suit was talking on the phone. Suddenly, the man dropped his wallet and walked away. Ali picked it up. Inside was more money than Ali had ever seen in his life. For a moment, Ali's heart started beating fast. He thought, "I can buy food. I can help Ami and Abu. No one will know." Then he remembered his mother's words. Always do the right thing, even when no one is watching. Ali ran after the man. Sir, you dropped your wallet." The man stopped. He checked the wallet. Everything was there. He looked at Ali, his torn clothes, his tired eyes, his broken shoes. "What is your name?" the man asked. "Ali, sir." "Where do you live?" Ali lowered his head. "Under the bridge, sir." The man felt something break inside him. "My name is Mr. Farouk," he said. "You could have kept this money, but you chose honesty. You have something greater than money," he said softly. "You have character." That same day, Mr. Farouk changed Ali's life. He arranged a small apartment. He gave Rashid a job. He put Ali in a good school. That night, for the first time in years, the family slept on a real bed. Naseem cried tears of gratitude. Rashid hugged his son and whispered, "Beta, your honesty saved us." But the journey was not easy. At his new school, Ali felt different. Other students were rich, expensive bags, fancy lunches. Some laughed at him. "The street boy is here," they said. Ali came home crying. "I don't want to go to school," he said. Naseem wiped his tears. "They laugh at where you came from," she said. "You will make them respect where you're going." Those words changed Ali. He studied harder than anyone else. While others played, he worked. While others slept, he learned. Years passed. Ali became the top student, then a university scholar, then a successful businessman. One day Ali went back to the bridge. He stood there quietly, not with sadness but with gratitude. Today Ali helps homeless people every week. He gives them food and, more importantly, he gives them hope. I was here once, he tells them. If I can rise, so can you. When I heard Ali's story, I stayed silent for a long time, because this story is not just about Ali, it's about all of us. We all face rejection, we all face laughter, we all face moments where giving up feels easy, but winners don't quit. They convert pain into power. Your past does not define you. Your struggle does not limit you, your choices do. Ali chose honesty, Ali chose hard work. Ali chose faith. That's why he became a hero. So remember this, no matter how dark life gets, never give up. Stay honest, respect your parents, and when you succeed, lift others with you. You are not where you started, you are where you decide to go. From homeless to hero. This is not just Ali's story. This can be your story too. The only question is, are you ready to start?